We are introducing a unique software which is developed through Zoho Creator. Uh, with this application, you can do the internal quality audit using a mobile phone, whether it is iOS or Android. You can make use of your mobile phone to complete the audit process. Your existing Excel worksheet, which can be uploaded into this app, and the data analysis part is very easy with this application, and all the existing quality management systems, whether it is 9001, 14001, 45001, all the product standards, all the check sheet can be uploaded to this software. This screenshot shows how you can do that. So what I will do, I will give a real demo of how this software works, and so that it will be easy for you. So our app is here, Creator, Zoho Creator. First we have to click this easy way, and we can see a brief introduction about this application. First we have to create a firm which is already there now. I already created a company named AppNoble. Now we have to create the schedule first for the internal quality audits. So we have to press this plus button to add a new schedule. So we have to schedule the audit, say October 14. We are auditing HR department, and the auditor is Mr. Tom. Okay, submit. Now we have the audit schedule, which is already here. That I will show you again. Either you click the easy way or click on the internal audit schedule. So we have the schedule here. Now we have to assign the check sheet, the HR department check sheet for this particular scheduled audit. So that one is, it is in the first easy way page. Assign, use this link to install internal audit. Okay, click the button, select the scheduled audit, which is 84. This is the one we created for the HR department. Submit. Now the internal audit check sheet has been inserted into the app. Now the particular auditor can carry out the audit by visiting easy way, and in the bottom you can click that one. So here the URL to report, URL to audit reporting, click that button. So we have this around 10 check sheets for HR department. Open one by one and click this edit button in the top. Now the edit is restricted. You cannot edit all the fields. Audit observation. Here this checks for annual training plan. So audit observation, training plan. Audited. Or training plan seen. And what is the mechanism? Here is document seen, and you have to mention what is the objective evidence. So TP dated 01 Jan 21. So it is already confirming, which is by default it is there. If it is not confirming, you have to mention it is not Not confirming. Update. Now that is the first out of the 10 check sheet item. The second one, go to the edit. The same way, what is here? Review organization chart. ORG chart scene. Interviewed or document scene. ORG chart dated 20 August 21. Okay, confirming. Now we have these items included in the this check sheet. Now we can see the I'm not doing the check sheet, the real audit here for all the items. Let us see how this app working with the different functionalities. Now we have to do an update here. That means once the audit is finalized, you can go for status update. So here the audit number 84. We can say the draft report is ready. Click that button. Now the system will email you the draft report, which we can see in your mailbox. The audit report is here in the mailbox now. Open it. So you can see the draft audit report here. We attended 2 check sheet items. All those you can see here. You can see the audit reference 84 and what we seen and auditor remarks etc. for these 2 items is already there. Once you complete all the check sheet items, that report will be automatically generated and it will be emailed. Once the audit is really completed, you can tell the system to make the final report. For what one, either you go for the easy way or go to the internal audit schedule, and we have the status update here. Now at the present the status is audit draft report issued. Now we have to change the status to that the audit completed. So you completed all the 10 check sheet items and tell the machine that we complete the audit, submit. Now the system will create a PDF report and which will be automatically downloaded to your machine. So now you can see the downloaded audit report, audit date, department, auditee, auditor, care report date, and we attended 2 check sheets. Thus 2 check sheet items detailed here. So this way we can make the internal quality auditing process very easy with a mobile phone. So that is about this app. More details will be in the footer of this YouTube video. Please contact us for more information. Maybe we can do further configuration to make it more suitable for you. Thanks for attending.